Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Right now, guys, let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So actually here we do not have a lot of new inputs for discussion. Currently we see some reaction on reaching support area that we have discussed yesterday. So if you remember now, yesterday analysis, we have come to couple of important conclusions. So first of all, as market right now stands on important support, some reaction up should follow. So because this is daily confidence support, this is the target of the harmonic swing. But at the same time, the length of this swing and in general, what has happened with this downward action brings another suggestions that this downward retracement probably will continue. So it could mean that current reaction on this support that we have here, so retracement, will be just a reaction on the supports. Not will be hardly this will be immediately the reversal up, if of course we will not get something really outstanding on the geopolitical sphere and the political economical sphere, something of that sort. But with the in the common sense and the common things, this will be technical suggest right now it should be some reaction here, but after that market has all chances to form this A, B, C, some D pattern to the downside. This comes from the following moments. First of all, take a look on the daily chart. Market has broken through the monthly pivot support line. And it tells that if on the retracement market breaks the pivot support one, it means that it's not just a retracement, but it could become the short-term trend. In other words speaking, this action should have some continuation in the future. This is the first moment. Second moment, as we can see on the 4-hour time frame chart, market has formed here reversal swing as we have discussed yesterday. So this swing down is greater than the previous swing up, and on the daily chart you also could see that market dropped below this consolidation, below this previous top. So normal bullish behavior suggests retracement down, reaching of this area, holding about the weekly pivot support one, and continue move up. Besides this A, B, C, D target, as you can see, just minor target, 6 money. But as market has broken through all of these areas, the chances that it will show some A, B, C, D down increases. So on the 4-hour time, that's been said, on the 4-hour time frame chart, right now we will be watching for this upward retracement that will become the BC leg of something A, B, C, D pattern. Usually, this is also we discussed yesterday. Usually, when the market forms reversal swing, upward retracement after reversal swing is greater and very often takes the shape some kind of the ABCD pattern. That very easily to explain because this is in fact reaction on the previous trend. So when the market forms reversal swing, it breaks some kind of the previous trend, and the existed momentum of this trend pushes market higher with a deeper retracement. That's the major idea why this usually happens after reversal swing. That's why here, probably the level that market could reach should stand around the 1250 area. It's minimum level, but later market could form some kind of that. For example, AB, reaction on the confidence resistance will be minor bounce, and ABCD, so 1270, 1265 area could be reached with this upward retracement. This is possible. So today, I would not see any patterns yet for trading. So although this thrust down is not really bad, but as you can see, market hasn't formed yet any even Napoli pattern. So we don't have the bread and butter, we don't have the double repo buy or something that sort. In fact, nothing. So probably all these trading moments will be postponed on the next week. But right now we see just minor reaction, starting reaction and daily support. And in the nearest time we will be watching for how the retracement up will develop here. So that's our current view on the gold. So that being said, price action in the gold market right now is showing suggests compounding downward retracement. So probably we can't exclude the chances that we will get a BCD pattern on the daily time frame retracement. And on the common week, we will be watching for reaction on the region of daily support. So upward respect of the confluence support in daily chart. That respect should become the part of our large ABCD pattern. In particular, it should become the BC leg of this pattern. So that's our view on the bull market.